What's the meaning of collaboration? Collaboration. Collaboration.
Collaboration. Collaboration. Collaboration refers to the process of working together with one or more individuals or groups to achieve a common goal. It involves pooling resources, sharing knowledge and skills, and coordinating efforts towards a shared objective. Collaboration can lead to a range of positive outcomes, including increased productivity, creativity, innovation, and improved decision-making. By working collaboratively, individuals and organizations can leverage their strengths, address weaknesses, and achieve results that they would not be able to accomplish on their own. Ultimately, collaboration allows individuals to achieve greater success and better outcomes by working together towards a mutual goal.